When I say treasure hunt, you might think of something like pirates or X marks the spot. What if I told you could go on your own treasure hunt, right in your own backyard? Geocaching started back in the early 2000s with the advent of satellite technology. But now, you don't have to buy an expensive device, you can do it right with your phone. Let's go find some treasure. So there's an app you can use, I think it's called Geocaching, and it gives you the location of all the ones near you. It just uses the GPS in your phone, and then you can just navigate right to the point. So it's got a map on there, so we know we're going to follow this road down and hang a left, and we should be there. Alright, so this one's called Will You Go to Prom With Me? That's the title of the geocache. So once you get close, each geocache has a description on it that kind of gives you a clue of why it was placed and where it is, as well as a hint if you can't find it to clue you in exactly where it is. Because the GPS area is kind of broad, so then you got to know like, oh, it's under a rock or in a tree or something. They're never at the bottom of a hill, they're always at the top. I think it's supposed to be across from that road. So we're close. I don't know, help me look. Hey, I think I found it. You found it. Where?
Right in the crook of the tree here.
Oh wow, look at that.
Alright, what do we got?
So, oh, that was the do you want to go to prom? That's cute. Okay. We got a sticker from Munchies, an advertisement, a bottle cap. You always fill your name out on these so you can feel proud about it. Okay.
How many entries are there?
There's a pretty good number. 3 pages. Oh, yeah, actually quite a few pages.
Huh.
I always want to put it back 3 pounds so you guys can come find it for yourself. Alright, so the next one we're going to is called Sulphur Woods. 0.2 of a mile that way. There we go.
Everything he needs 2 hands for, I have to do one-handed.
I think we're close. Oh. What? Oh, yeah. Alright, this way, I guess. I thought it was over there. The compass says it's this way.
You're getting close.
Maybe it is in here. So the description says it's a 1/4 mile from the parking lot and right off the trail. So I think it's somewhere in here. And the hint says, quote, "We're rooting for you." So other than being cheesy, I think it means like it's at the base of a tree. So
I found the first one, so pressure's on for Garrett to find the second one. Otherwise, I'm gonna be in the lead.
I found it.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah. Huh?
Did you really?
Oops. Alright, let's see what's in here. I'm seeing. This one's hard to. Vitamin C. You know, this is good stuff. You gotta have your vitamin C. Our notebook. A piece of paper, okay. Some geocaches have little, like, toys you put in them. So then, like, when you find it, you get to take one piece, but then you have to leave a piece. But we'll just write our names down. So while finding the trinkets in the boxes is fun, the real treasure we found today was exploring in the park and having an adventure with your friends.
Yep, and that does it for this adventure, so Like the video if you thought it was cool.
Share with your travel mates.
Subscribe if you haven't.
And get out there and have an adventure.